Hey guys, welcome to another video. So this video today is going to be about Sunflowerpixie Suspended. I'm actually on Sweet Wolf, it's me. Sunflowerpixie. That's my other account. My other account here, Sunflowerpixie suspended for 1 day. I can't go on there still can't go on there. So I'm on Sweet Wolf 03525. Can you please add me? Can you please add this one? It's actually me. Oh, no clothes. I've got these things on trays. I want something. Recording. In the last video I did Sunflowerpixie was suspended, but so she's suspended now. 1 day. And I'm going to have the introduction for this video, so I'm going to buy stuff. I'm just going to, this video is just going to Sunflowerpixie suspended lifted. So I was just saying some Japan language. I was just saying Japan language, that's all guys. Japan isn't bad. Japan English language is not even that bad. Imogen thinks it's bad. Sorry for the squeaking, that's a computer chair. My computer chair is actually my mom's computer chair squeak. So, and now some non-member scary bats. And I can't. You have to do your short version of the 5 times. So she's online, she's out of her den. So I just waiting to get my chat log on. See, I'm Sweet Wolf. I have no animal yet. It's on new. I just made my account today. And I made best friends forever. My best friends forever account, but it won't let me go on that. It's saying you can't play on it right now, so it's so I just cancel blah blah, so you can't play on it right now. So, this is my friend's thing because it's Halloween, spooky. I'm actually trying to get the spooky down myself on Halloween. It's a little room. It's like Halloween. Piano sound? This phantom does nothing. Look at him. He's a big giant phantom. Ice phantom? This does nothing. It just does nothing. You can't click on anything. I think it's this. These pictures move. You realise these pictures actually move. You realise these pictures here actually move the eyes. So look, the phantom just moved these eyes. That's what I do. I don't know how you do it. These pictures of eyes are moving. Some reason they move. Oh, like he's doing up your eyes. And these are the phantoms my friend has. That's my friend's thing. She's literally. I can't click on that. I can't click on that either. You can only click on the phantom. You just click on there, you get Gumball out. Panda, Teapot. They actually move the eyes, but when you try to click them, they move. And my friend, I don't know if she's back. This is a tour of her den, guys. So Sunflowerpixie suspended. I'll try and go on her right now. Stop moving, animal. I'll just put this to the side. So I'm putting the screen to the side, I just don't want you to see. This account's not suspended. Secret account's not suspended. My account's Sunflowerpixie. It's a shame. This is actually my other account with my other. When Sunflowerpixie gets suspended, I'll use this account. I think she's still on there about the month long. I want someone's rumbling. I'm hungry. I was actually on Roast Fire Hut. This is me. What you do? So guys, this is all for the video. Okay, bye guys.